Every day, billions of people plug in their phone's chargers. But have you ever stopped to think? How is a phone charger actually made? It may look small and simple on the outside, but inside, it is a powerful and smart device. Today, we will go inside the factory and see step by step how a phone charger is made, from raw materials to the final product you use every day. The journey starts with raw materials from nature. First, copper is taken from the ground. Copper is very important because it carries electricity very well. Next, sand is turned into silicon. Silicon is used to make tiny computer chips inside the charger. Oil is processed to make strong plastic. This plastic will become the outer body of the charger. Metal like steel and nickel are shaped into the prongs, the part that goes into the wall socket. Before the charger is built, all these materials must be prepared. The copper is melted and pulled into very thin wires. These wires are then covered with a protective coating. This coating stops electricity from leaking out. The wires will soon be used to make an important part, called the transformer. The transformer is the heart of the charger. Electricity from your wall is very strong enough to be dangerous. The transformer reduces the high electricity to a safe level for your phone. Machines carefully wrap copper wire around a magnetic core. The number of times the wire is wrapped helps control the voltage. If this step is not done correctly, the charger could overheat or damage your phone. Now it's time to build the brain of the charger, the circuit board. The circuit board is a flat board with tiny pathways made of copper. Robots place small electronic parts on the board. These include resistors, capacitors, microchips, diodes. These small parts control how electricity flows. After the parts are placed, the board goes through a hot oven. The heat melts the solder and fixes the parts in place. Special machines check the board to make sure everything is perfect. The electricity in your home is called AC power, but your phone needs DC power. Inside the charger, special parts change AC into DC. Other parts smooth the power so it stays steady and safe. This is how your phone charges without getting damaged. The USB port is added next. This is where your charging cable connects. Some chargers have smart chips inside. These chips talk to your phone and decide how much power to send. If your phone supports fast charging, the charger can send more power safely. If not, it sends normal power. Now the outer body of the charger is made. Plastic pellets are heated until they melt. The melted plastic is pushed into a mold that has the shape of the charger. After it cools down, the hard plastic case is removed from the mold. The brand name and safety marks are printed. All the parts are now ready. The circuit board and transformer are placed inside the plastic case. The metal prongs are fixed in position. The charger is then sealed tightly using screws or strong heat sealing. Now it looks like the finished product. Before the charger is sold, it must pass many safety tests. It is tested for correct voltage, overheating, short circuit protection, drop resistance, fire safety. Some chargers are plugged in for many hours to see if they overheat. If a charger fails any test, it is rejected. After passing all tests, the chargers are packed into boxes. Barcodes and instructions are added. The boxes are placed in cartons. From the factory, they are shipped by trucks, ships, or airplanes to stores around the world. Soon, one of them may end up in your home. The next time you plug in your phone, remember, inside that small charger is copper from the earth. Smart electronics, careful engineering, and many steps of testing. A simple device with a powerful journey.